Well, I'm up on a mound a little bit further away. Oh shit. There's a long wall over there. Looks like there was some large building here before. And I have a feeling there might be something underneath my feet as we speak. I'm just hoping not to fall through the undergrowth into a hidden hole. My legs, however, are getting completely thrashed by nettles. There's a wall that just goes through the forest like that. And there's a staircase over there, just in the background if you can see that. Let's see if I can head that way. At the top of the wall, there seems to be some kind of structure. You can see all around me there's broken bricks. And I feel like it's hollow underneath me. Nothing much seems to be growing here either. I think there might be actually a building underneath me, or maybe even a bunker. The thing to do now is try to find an entrance. Well, I've been through the forest a bit more, and I found this weird structure. It's like this massive octagonal structure, but it's got 12 sides. I don't know what the 12-sided shape is called. There's like a little man pointing here, and on the other side it says bunk, like bunker. So I think I might be on the right tracks. This is such a strange shape. Look, it's got all these little concrete poles coming out of it. It must have been some roof structure on it. And this kind of reminds... Oh, fucking God, I found it. I've really fucking found it now. Oh, look at that. This one looks much deeper than the one I was just in just now. But look at this weird structure. Can you see this weird structure sticking out through the top? What was that for? Shit, how do I get down from here? I think this must have been some kind of water filtration system, so that people in the bunker could have fresh water, clean air. Oh, it's a real pain in the butt to get down here. Oh. Oh. Fuck me, it looks really deep. Can you hear that? I think there's an animal down there. Hello? Hello? Well, I'm about to go into this dark, deep hole. Hopefully I'm going to come out alive. Wish me luck. I'm a little bit afraid, actually. It's really fucking dark. And it goes right down. It's like... It looks like there were stairs down here originally, but they've all collapsed. Fuck me. It's really, really deep. I wasn't expecting this at all. Holy shit, can you see how deep this is? I wish I had a bigger line. Fuck, it's so deep. And the walls are just like coming away. It's freezing down here too. It's so cold down here. You can hear the water dripping everywhere. It's so steamy down here. There's an abandoned dinghy here. Maybe this place was flooded and people came to. Fuck. This place is amazing. It's so scary though. Fuck this. Can you see how deep this tunnel is? It's so deep. Fuck me. Whoa. Oh, it's so muddy here. I don't think I can go any further. No, I need to come back here with boots. Ah, shit. Hello! Wait! Oh, that sucks. I can't get down there. It's too wet. Well, I'm a bit disappointed I couldn't go deeper. The tunnel is flooded at the bottom. There were the remains of an old dinghy down there. So somebody tried to do it in the dark before, in the water. But I can't do that today. That just goes to show that when you come out on Burbex missions like this, you should try to be as prepared as possible. Hey, we can still look around here though. Oh. It looks like this whole structure used to have like a wooden and slate roof above it, and that's just all collapsed, and now the forest is kind of taking it over again. It's amazing how nature can just take over these things again after not really that much time. It's amazing. Fuck, look at this place. I tell you what, if I fell down there, I wouldn't be able to get out again. Well, from the looks of this place, it looks like it was some massive complex built into the hillside. You know, there's a whole bunch of underground tunnels, which I can't really go into because it's too wet, a little bit flooded down there. And on top you can see all these structures, and I expect that was for water cleansing and also for getting oxygen in here. I'm going to see if I can find out some more about this place from local people, and I'll get back to you with more information about that. If you haven't checked out part 1 already, check out part 1 where I went into one of the smaller bunkers nearby, and be sure to hit like and subscribe for great new videos from Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration every week. Let's go.